This is my Christmas countdown. It's a sensory story that has 24 sensory experiences, like an advent calendar, and you can go through each sensory stage each day in December in the countdown to Christmas. Or you can tell it all in one go as one mega multi-sensory story. The Christmas countdown. At the beginning of the story is a menu, and it shows you some ideas for some resources per page and what to do with those resources. Let's get started. The lights are turned on. 3, 2, 1. Christmas is coming. For this, I'm going to use any sensory lights. The Christmas lights are turned on. 3, 2, 1. Christmas is coming. Wow. I see red, green and gold all around me. Christmas is coming. For this one, I've got some gorgeous translucent fabric in green, gold and red. And I'm going to waft it over the children's heads and we're going to stim with it. Red, green and gold all around me. Christmas is coming. Tinsel gets wrapped around the tree. Christmas is coming. Tinsel gets wrapped around the tree. Christmas is coming. Shiny baubles hang on the tree. Christmas is coming. Shiny baubles hang on the tree. Christmas is coming. Carol singers spread cheer and joy. Christmas is coming. I dry oranges for decoration. Christmas is coming. I've got some soap scent sealed in my old spice jar on some cotton wool. And it smells delicious like oranges. I dry oranges for decoration. Christmas is coming. I bake mince pies and cookies. Christmas is coming. I've got some scented dough here, filled with Christmas spices, or you could fill it with chocolate if you're talking about cookies. I bake mince pies and cookies. Christmas is coming. Wrapping paper and sticky tape. Christmas is coming. Wrapping paper can be so much fun. We're going to unroll it together and we're going to tear it and scrunch it and rip it. So much fun. Wrapping paper and sticky tape. Christmas is coming. Hot chocolate and marshmallows to warm us up. Christmas is coming. Hot chocolate and marshmallows to warm us up. Christmas is coming. Watching candles glowing. Christmas is coming. I've got enough of these faux candles for each of my learners, and they do make a beautiful fiery candlelight glow. Watching candles glowing. Christmas is coming. It feels cold outside. Christmas is coming. It feels cold outside. Christmas is coming. Warming by the fireplace. Christmas is coming. You can use woolen blankets or gloves or heating hand warmers, but I rather like this for a fireplace. Warming by the fireplace. Christmas is coming. Father Christmas collects my list. Christmas is coming. For this one, try and find some fluffy red and fluffy white fabrics, just like Santa's suit. Father Christmas collects my list. Christmas is coming. Chocolate coins to unwrap and eat. Christmas is coming. I've got some chocolate coins, enough for at least one each. Chocolate coins to unwrap and eat. Christmas is coming. Snow is falling. Christmas is coming. You can make faux snow in lots of different ways. You could use flour or conditioner and corn flour, or you can buy faux snow. Snow is falling. Christmas is coming. Build a snowman or snowballs. Christmas is coming. I've got lots of snowballs here and I'm going to sprinkle them in the air. Build a snowman. Oh, snowballs! Oh, Christmas is coming. Favourite shows on TV. Christmas is coming. Favourite shows on TV. Christmas is coming.
This is the story of a very special baby.
Roast dinner smells through the house. Christmas is coming. Got some gravy here. Roast dinner smells all through the house. Christmas is coming. Crackers, bang! Christmas is coming. There's a few different options for this one. I've made some silent crackers, just using fabric with Velcro and wrapped around a toilet roll. So you can do the cracker thing without any sound. Or you could use a drum. Crackers, bang! Christmas is coming. Or you could use some real crackers. Crackers, bang! Oh, Christmas is coming. Stockings hang on the chimney place or by our beds. Christmas is coming. Stockings hang on the chimney place. Christmas is coming. I hear bells up on the roof. Christmas is coming. I hear bells up on the roof. Christmas is coming. Reindeer hooves. Clip, clip, clop. Christmas is coming. Got 2 plastic cups to make the sound. Reindeer hooves. Clip, clip, clop. Christmas is coming. Ho, 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 you hear him say. Christmas is coming.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
One more sleep. Christmas is coming. And because it's so exciting and we want to settle down, we're going to use some weighted blankets. One more sleep. Christmas is coming. Christmas. If you would like your own version of this, then it's available on Amazon and the link is in the description below. You can tell it throughout the whole of December using a page a day as part of Advent, or you can tell it as one full multi-sensory story. Merry Christmas.